Welcome back to a new episode of Wheels of History. Before we dive into today's topic, we invite you to subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. It's just a small gesture for you, but for us, it's essential to continue sharing stories about vehicles that have marked history. Today, we're taking a leap back in time. The Great War had just ended, and we're here to talk about the story of the Mosquito. The Garelli Mosquito, a small marvel of engineering, was created as an auxiliary engine for bicycles, transforming them from simple pedal-powered vehicles into motorized ones that revolutionized post-war mobility. Designed by engineer Carlo Alberto Gilardi, and produced by the historic Milanese company Garelli, the Mosquito became a model of simplicity, reliability, and technical innovation, emerging as the most widespread auxiliary engine in Europe, with total production exceeding 500,000 units. The idea for the Mosquito arose during the tumultuous post-war period, when many Italian industries had to convert their wartime production. Garelli, which during the war had manufactured starter compressors for airplanes and marine engines, leveraged its expertise in the motorcycle sector. Recognizing the growing demand for affordable transportation, the company focused on developing an auxiliary engine for bicycles, a solution accessible to a population exhausted but eager to move freely again. The young and ambitious engineer Gilardi was hired by Garelli in 1945. He developed a compact, robust engine that could easily be adapted to any bicycle without interfering with the pedals. The Mosquito project quickly became a symbol of Italy's industrial rebirth. The Mosquito 38A, a technical gem. The first Mosquito model, the 38A, was produced starting in 1946. This small engineering masterpiece featured a two-stroke engine with a roller transmission and a displacement of 38.5 cubic centimeters. It used a Del Orto carburetor and ran on a 6 to 7% oil-gasoline mixture. Fuel efficiency was remarkable for the time, 70 kilometers per liter of fuel, held in a 2-liter tank mounted in place of the luggage rack. A roller in contact with the tire transmitted motion to the wheel, making installation quick and simple. It required only a clamp and 2 screws to secure it under the pedals. The control system was equally straightforward. A lever on the handlebars, similar to a bicycle gear shifter, regulated acceleration. The engine could be disengaged, allowing the user to pedal like on a regular bicycle. This versatility was one of the keys to its extraordinary success. The Mosquito stood out for its innovative technical solutions. Gilardi opted for a cross-flow scavenging system inspired by the Schnurla patent, which improved engine efficiency compared to the unidirectional scavenging still common at the time. The piston, made of cast iron, ensured greater durability and thermal stability, while the external flywheel allowed the engine to handle load peaks with ease. The 2:1 transmission ratio ensured smooth operation and reduced tire wear. To demonstrate the Mosquito's exceptional durability, Garelli organized a unique feat, a continuous test simulating a journey around the equator. From August 31st to October 24th, 1952, on the city circuit of Pau, the small engine completed an astonishing 40,074 kilometers in just 55 days of nearly uninterrupted operation. The challenge, marked by necessary breaks for refueling and maintenance, involved 8 drivers taking turns riding the Mosquito 38A model. The entire test, closely monitored by 2 local court officers to ensure its validity, concluded with an average speed of 30 kilometers per h over a total of 1,325 hours of operation. The event, widely covered by the international specialist press, was a triumph. At the end of the test, Garelli proudly announced that 400,000 Mosquito units identical to the one used in the record were already in circulation, solidifying the myth of this extraordinary auxiliary engine. The Mosquito's initial success spurred Garelli to further improve the product. In 1953, the Mosquito 38B was introduced, with an increased displacement of 48 cubic centimeters, offering better performance without sacrificing reliability. The turning point came in 1955 with the Centrimatic version, which featured a patented automatic transmission. This system eliminated the need for manual controls, simplifying use and allowing the motorized bicycle to reach speeds of 45 kilometers per h under full load. The Centrimatic definitively established the Mosquito as a market leader. The Mosquito was not just an Italian phenomenon. Growing demand abroad led Garelli to license production in countries like France, Spain, Argentina, England, and Hungary. With total production estimated at over 500,000 units, the Mosquito became a symbol of popular motorization in Europe. Even prestigious brands like Umberto Dei adopted the Mosquito for their bicycle models, further enhancing its reputation. Initially sold for 22,600 lire, when a Garelli factory worker's monthly salary was about 9,000 lire, requiring 2.5 months of work to purchase, the Mosquito was an investment accessible to many Italian families. The option to buy it as a self-assembly kit made it even more affordable. The engine was easy to install without altering the bicycle's essence, offering a practical and economical means of transportation. Production of the Mosquito continued until 1960, when the moped market began evolving toward more sophisticated vehicles. Nevertheless, the Mosquito remains an icon, not just an engine, but a testament to Italian ingenuity, resilience, and innovative spirit, transforming a bicycle into a faithful companion of freedom and hope. We'll stop here, but the road of legends continues. Remember, spare parts for the Mosquito engine can be found on the website thekingopiston.com. The wheels keep turning, but the stories remain. Every bike tells a journey and unveils an era. See you at the next stop, always on two wheels and with a piece of history to share.